So hello everybody. Today we'll be going over this B17G from Revell in 148 scale. I bought this set extra for it. I'm going to do a review of it first, and in an hour or so the other video will come out with the kit. It's an older set, but I think, well, it's an older kit and they fit together, so I think it was good to get. We know these old Revell and Monogram kits do miss quite a bit of stuff on the inside. I wish I would have had a kit like this for the PB Y5, because it was missing quite a bit on the inside too. So here's our instruction sheet. We have some parts here. It shows the parts. We have a Photo Etch tree, and then a whole bunch of resin parts. So we have here like these doors, the Bombay doors here. There's parts like the turbochargers here, parts for the wheel well, for the landing gear, the tail and the main landing gear. Here we have some frames and stuff and some details for the exterior of the fuselage here on the front. And also here is a lot of detail for the cockpit. Here we have detail for the nose, as well as the guns. There's guns in here too. And here's the tail. Same thing. And it looks like you have to cut the clear parts to get the Photo Etch parts on there. That might be some complicated stuff there. So here's our Photo Etch sprue. You can see the Bombay doors. Here's the exterior door, and you see a lot of the framings here. This is for the tail. This is for the nose. It's mostly frames. And here's for the cockpit canopy, the frames, some windshield wipers too even. So it looks like it's going to be quite a bit of work to get this stuff on there, especially with working with the clear parts, because you have to sand and cut it down to get the framings on there. There's also here a clear piece of plastic, just a clear sheet. So here are our parts. You see there are two sizes from brass wire here, the thick one and the thin one. There's also a piece of rubber here. Some hoses. So we have our machine guns. We have the barrels for the machine guns. One's kind of bent, but I think I can work around that. Here's our turbochargers. And these are the hoses for the turbochargers. The outside is curved and the inside is straight. Here's our main landing gear, nose wheel. We have these internal tanks. And a lot of this is just internal detail here. It looks like a pretty good detailed kit for being as old as it is. There's probably more modern ones that are better, but I'll just go with this. I think it'll be sufficient.